Hey YouTube, it's your girl Che Chilling. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to my page. And if you're a returning subscriber, then as always, I appreciate you. So in this video, I will be doing a install with me video. This is the blonde that I wore. If you guys follow me on Instagram, this is the blonde that I wore for my 24th birthday. I never did an install video or like a tutorial or anything like that, or any of the details on this wig. I don't know why, but I finally got around and said, you know, I'm going to give this video to you guys because this unit is so bomb and it's actually affordable. So if you're interested in the details of this hair, then keep watching. Ow! Ooh, I got an open cut. About to burn. About to burn. Ooh, child. You didn't burn. Ew! It burned. So this is the construction of the lace wig. I want to say it's about 4 inches in the middle and then about 2 inches of lace on the side. It came with 4 combs, one on the left, one on the right, and then one at the top and one in the back. Here I just wanted to really show you guys how much lace we were working with. I know this is important for the slayage. It was not that much, but it was enough. If you have a big head, it's not super big head friendly, but I have a big head and I was able to make it work. So here I'm getting ready to glue down the wig. I love using Got2b glue when I just want to do a really quick install. Of course, if you want it to last a little longer, then I would use glue. But honestly, Got2b glue works just fine for really quick installs. So here I'm just spraying it. I think I did about 2 to 3 layers. And then using my comb and my blow dryer to make sure it sticks. I love it because it also makes laying down natural looking baby hairs easier. All I did was kind of comb out the little hairs and they stuck already. So that's what I'm doing here, just kind of cutting some of the long pieces. Then I'm gonna take my wax stick, and this is really good, y'all, for any of those flyaways, any of those short hairs at the top. Here I'm just using my hot comb, making sure I get it as flat as possible. Same thing I'm doing here, using my glue to add a little more adhesive, a little more stickiness, and then it works perfectly for me to lay down my little sideburn hair. So here I'm just cutting those short, as you can see. And then the rest of the video, you guys, I'm just going to be flat ironing it and tweaking it so that it can look as flawless as possible. So this one was really quick and super easy. So I went ahead and just put on a dark piece of clothing as well as moving to the corner, just so you guys can kind of see the contrast of the hair against my skin, because it was kind of blending into the walls. But honestly, guys, I love this wig. I get so many compliments, so many questions on the wig. It is super bomb, and like I said, super affordable. So here I'm just again taking the wax stick. I wanted to zoom in so you guys can see it really does bless the baby hairs and kind of lays it all down. But once again, I definitely love this unit, guys. This wig is a keeper. I noticed that like this blonde is super bright against the white of my like apartment, and so I tried to like switch. Usually I'm over here on the side, but I tried to like get the shadows of the hallway so you guys can at least see the contrast of the hair versus like white on white. This is the color. I love it. I love this blonde. I love the fact that it's a bob, and I love that it was affordable and it came super quick. So if you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Peace, love, blessings.